Chapter 1, Quadratic Functions and Equations in One Variable. Okay, so we continue to find roots using factorization, and this is the second type of question. Okay, so remember when we factorize, we will always get two brackets, right? Okay, and in this second type of question, we need to use this. I will introduce you to this formula first. A squared minus b squared. And you will get a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this is the general formula. Okay, you can check. This is actually equal to this, and this is actually equal to this. Okay, if we check here, we multiply the first term with this two terms, and then we multiply the second terms with these two terms. Okay, so a times a, you get a squared. A times minus b, you get minus ab. Plus b times a, you get plus ab. Plus b times b, you get minus ab. Minus ab plus ab, this two things is gone. So what is left? A squared minus b squared. You see, it's the same thing like this. So this is the formula. So whatever in this form, we can make them to this form, which is in two brackets. Okay, let's see the first. So x squared minus 9, you can make it a squared minus b squared. Okay, this the first thing already in square, so we need to make this thing in square. 9 is equal to 3 square, right? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so a squared minus b squared. Your a is x, your b is 3. So you will make two brackets, x plus 3, x minus 3. This is your final answer. This is your what you factorize. You can check whether you are correct or not. Equal. Okay, so x times x, and then x times x, you get x squared, and then minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. Okay, negative 3x plus 3x, this 2 is gone. And then what is left? X squared minus 9. You see, same as the question. That means your factorization is correct. Let's see the second factorization. This thing, we need to make it something square, right? Okay, second thing, you also need to make it something square, and then minus. So the first bracket, you make it a, second bracket is b. So a squared minus b squared. So it will become this term, this thing, and then you can factorize like this. So first 4x squared, but we have a 4, we can make it 2 square. 4, I make it 2 square. X squared is like this. 25, I make it 5 square. 2 square x squared is 2x squared minus 5 square. So it's something square minus something square, right? So you can make it two bracket, something minus something plus something, and then something minus something. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, the third question also the same. 9, you make it 3 square. 16, you make it 4 square. And then 3x square minus 4 square. And then this is your a, and this is your b. Okay, a and b. So a square minus b square. You can make it to a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this is your factorize. Okay, we move on to the third factorization technique. Okay, and this is much more complicated. Okay, we have 3 terms here, right? Okay, you want to make it 2 term, 2 brackets in 2 brackets. Okay, you can draw something like this. And remember, left side on this line, you always do multiplication. On the right side of this line, you do plus. Okay, first thing first, you need to find the factor of 6. Okay, factor of 6, 1 times 6 is 6, right? 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factor of 6. You need to find, okay, this number. What 2 numbers that multiply you get 6, and then which 2 numbers you plus you get 5. Okay, you can draw this. Remember here you multiply, right? X in this row is for x squared. This row is for 6. Okay, and then x times x, you get x squared, right? X times x, you get x squared. And then what times what, you will get 6. What times what, you get 6. And then what plus what, you get 5. Okay, and the in the middle term will go here. So first term go here, third go here, and then in the middle go here. Okay, so this one you multiply, you want to get 6, and then plus you need to get 5. And then this number you need, this 2 number you need to choose from here, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, you can test 2 times 3. Okay, 1 times 6, if you put here 1 and 6, 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, if you put here 2 and 3, okay, 2 and 3, 2 times 3 you get 6. Okay, and then you can multiply 2 multiply with x, you get 2x. 3 multiply with x, you get 3x. And in this row you need to plus. So 2x plus 3x, you get 5x, which is the middle term. Okay, that means this thing is correct. Okay, plus 2 times plus 3, you get plus 6. Okay, and then x times x, you get x squared. And so your factorize, this is the question, right? Okay, and then your factorize, you will get 2 brackets. First bracket, you put this x plus 2. Second bracket, you put this x plus 3. If you want to check, you can multiply them and then you will get this thing. Okay, let's see the second example. Okay, you draw the same thing like this. Here is multiplication, here we will do plus. And then this answer is the middle here, minus 2x. And then 8 you put here, x squared you put here, and then multiplication. Okay, so x times x, you get x squared, right? And then what times what, you get 8. And then what plus what, you get minus 2x. Okay, so first we need to find the factor for x. So factor for x, 1 times 8, you get 8. 2 times 4, you get 8. 3, nothing, right? 4 and then here. So 1, 2, 4, 8 is the factors. So we have 2 possibilities, or 2 group. First group 1, 8. Second group 2, 4. Okay, you can put any sign, plus minus. You can put plus 1 times minus 8, or minus 2 times minus 4, as long as you get positive 8 here. Okay, okay, so sorry, the question is wrong. Here is negative. Okay, negative 8. Let's change the question, yeah. Okay, so 4, you can get this 4, 2 minus 4, you get negative 2, right? 2 minus 4, so I put a negative here, but I use positive 2 here. Let's check this out. Positive 2 times negative 4. So positive times negative, you get a negative 8, which is same as the question, negative 8. And then 2 times 4, you get 8. Okay. And then we multiply plus 2 and x is a positive 2x. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And then you plus this 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So that means this thing is correct. Okay, so we rewrite the question and then we write the factorize x plus 2 in the first bracket, x minus 4 in the second bracket. Okay, we try the last question. Also, we draw this, and then here is multiplication, here is plus. This term will go here, plus 4x. Minus 12, you go here. X squared will go here, and then we have a multiplication sign. First is easy, x times x, you get x squared. And then here we need to choose a number. So what number to choose? You need to see the possible combination. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 1, 2, 3 times 4. Right? Okay, so this, we have 3 possibilities. We need to choose which one. Okay, which one add up, you will get 4. Okay, you see, 6 minus 2, you get 4, right? So 6 minus 2, you get 4. So we put in minus 2 here, positive 6 here. Okay, we check here. Negative 2 times x is a negative 2x. 6 times x here is 6x. You plus, you see? Plus 6 plus minus 2 means 6 minus 2, you get positive 4. That means this 2 selection is correct. So we can rewrite the question. And then factorize term, we put it inside x minus 2, x plus 6. This is the positive 6. Okay, so this is the factorization. Okay, so this is a much more complicated one because in front we have a number. A is not 1. If A is 1 is easy, we just put x, right? Okay, so now we have 4. So let's see here. Actually, same procedure, same step. Multiply and then plus. Here we put the middle plus 20x. Here 4x squared. Here 25 and then positive. That means we need to put 2 times. Here possible is 1 times 4, 2 times 2. 25, a lot, right? 1 times 25, 2 nothing, 3, 4, 5, 5, 25. Okay, not a lot, only two possible group. Okay, so x must be xx because x times x is x squared. Okay, you can test any number here. Okay, I want to test 1, 4 first. 1, 4. Okay, and then here I want to choose which one. 5, 5. Okay, I choose 5, 5. 5, 5, 25. 1x times 1x, 4x squared. And then we test 5 times 4x is 20x. 5 times 1x is 5x. Okay, and then 20 and 5 you cannot get 20, right? So this is wrong. We test another group here. 1x, 4x. We test for 1 and 25. So 25 I put here, 1 I put here. 25x and then 4x. Also I cannot get 20. Okay? Okay, let me try the 2x. 2x and 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is, okay, positive times positive 5, 25, 2x times 2x, 4x squared, and then 5 times 2x, you get 10x. 5 times 2x, you get 10x. And then 10x plus 10x, you get 20x. Okay, so this satisfies all the things here. That means this group is correct. So we can rewrite the question: 4x squared plus 20x minus 25, and then into two brackets. First bracket we put 2x plus 5, another bracket also 2x plus 5. Since they are both the same, I can group them, 2x plus 5, and then put a square here. Okay, and then this is the factorization. And you guys can try this, try to factorize this. Also have two terms, so you need to do two possibilities here. 1 times 3. Okay, and then here is 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Okay, you try the combination. Okay, and you can comment your answer in the comment section. And that's it for the factorization lesson for today. Do share the video with your friends, and thank you for watching.